This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 8 cups of low-sodium chicken broth and 2 pounds of bone-in chicken for the best flavor. Chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 medium onion, and mince 2 garlic cloves. Trim and set aside. Measure 8 ounces of spaghetti and break it in half so the strands fit in the pot. Have 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper ready. Keep a ladle and a fine mesh strainer nearby for later. Place the chicken, chopped onions, carrots, celery, garlic, 2 bay leaves, and the 8 cups of broth in a large pot and bring to a gentle simmer. Maintain a low simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Remove the chicken to cool briefly. Strain the broth through a fine mesh strainer into a clean pot and discard the solids and bay leaves. Skim excess fat from the surface. Taste for salt. Bring the strained broth back to a gentle simmer and add the 8 ounces of broken spaghetti directly to the pot. Cook 8 to 10 minutes until the pasta is al dente and tender. Stir in the shredded chicken, heat through for 2 minutes, and adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoons salt or more to taste. Add 1 tablespoon chopped parsley for brightness. For serving, offer a squeeze of lemon and optionally 1/4 cup grated Parmesan per bowl. Cool leftovers quickly and refrigerate within 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.